Okay, the biggest problem facing the haulage industry at the moment is lack of skilled drivers. And we wanted to recognise our good drivers, retain our good drivers, and recognise the skills that they have. So we've come up with a scheme called the Professional Drivers Recognition Scheme. I'm a great believer in fours, as I believe it's raised the standard of haulage in London. I can't lie, I've plagiarised their scheme a little way. I've used bronze, silver and gold to recognise our good drivers, and our drivers work their way through the scheme as we do as companies with fours. Bronze is the basic entry level of the scheme. Every driver is trained to a bronze standard before he goes out on the road in an FM Conway vehicle. The drivers need to go on an induction course, they need to have a customer service course, they need to make sure all their qualifications are in order, and then once this is all checked and verified, they can then go on to the silver. The driver, once he becomes a silver driver, gets a £50 a week increase in his bonus. A gold driver will get £75 a week, which is not only money led, the drivers are very proud to become recognised silver and gold drivers.
Personally, I think the silver, gold and bronze scheme is an excellent scheme. I've worked at other companies and they've not had anything such as that. If I got my gold, I'll be over the moon, as I've been told that there's only about 3 or 4 drivers who have their gold. So to be a part of that, I'd be very happy.
When the drivers reach the standard, silver and gold, they get silver helmets and gold helmets. And they get a lot of pride in that. They're very proud of what they've achieved, and they can be recognised. When they're on site, they can be recognised as our better drivers, our good drivers, and the drivers who go that extra mile for FM Conway. When we introduced the scheme, what I didn't want to do is make it an administration burden for the managers. So this is all self-administrating by the drivers. They fill in the form, organise their courses, which are all the details are on the back. Once done, they're handed to the manager for verification, and then they go through and their bonuses added to their weekly wage. The scheme's been running since December of last year, and there's 250 drivers who can go on the scheme. At present, I've got 100 silver drivers and 5 gold drivers, and this is changing regularly on a day-to-day basis as drivers come through on the scheme. I've seen a 46% decrease in tachograph infringements. We've seen a 140% increase in near-miss reporting. We've had very good feedback from sites about our drivers, and my NCR reports have gone right down.